Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your TikTok username and also answer the question of how often can you change your TikTok username. Alright, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, after opening TikTok, you want to click on profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you click on profile, you want to click on edit profile at the top right corner. Once you do that, you can see the option called username. Click on username. Once you're over here, your current username is going to be displayed. Now you can change it to whatever you want. Now once you get this green tick mark at the side over here, that means this username is available to be used. Now click on save at the top right corner, and over here it says you can change your username once every 30 days. So here's your answer. You can only change your username once every 30 days. So if I change my username now by clicking on set username, my new username will be set on my TikTok, and only after 30 days I can change it, and within those 30 days I cannot edit it or remove it or do anything. Alright, so yeah, that's how often can you change your TikTok username on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.